Alright, pretty soon it will. This is just an update right now. But, man, that's nasty. But, pretty soon it will be my birthday. And I'm gonna make a review on the Turtle Beach headset. I know there's like a million reviews about it, but I like doing reviews on stuff, which is why I'm getting ready to do one on a, which is why I'm getting ready to do a review on a HDMI cord that I just got today. And hit a box. But yeah, I'm using it right now on my Xbox. But I'm using it right now on my Xbox. It works pretty good. I mean, it gives you audio, gives you good high definition. If your TV's high definition, it looks really good. Like on my bed, it kind of makes the screen smaller. But yeah, sorry, I'm getting text messages right now. But yeah. Well, I guess I could show you what it looks like real fast. I got bright. I was texting my girlfriend like a couple seconds ago, but she kind of fell asleep. Here it is. See, it kind of made my screen a little bit smaller. Oh, snap. No reason that resolution didn't look very good is because of my computer. So. Yes, I gotta charge my phone. But, in about maybe a couple seconds, I'll do that review. Yes, I do have a Xbox 360 Elite. So, you know, I just kind of want to show something off real fast. Black. And you see why I'm getting the Turtle Beach? Because I have this gay one. And it's just these little yay things, so that's pretty gay. But kind of like how you can clip this onto your shirt, and that's muted. No, it's not. And you have volume control. Alright, there. Check the gangster hat. St. Louis. Wait, no. Springfield Cardinals. Yeah. Especially for Cardinals fan. Good hat. I just did a review on like 3 things. But, well, might as well do this now. Alright, well, this is maggardracing. and I'm doing a HDMI cord review. Oh god. What channel? What? What? Hold on a second, I gotta do something real fast. Oh no. I just gotta turn off my Xbox really fast. Yeah, I will. I'm dead serious. I will. Alright. Let's get to the business. Alright, I had to turn off my Xbox because otherwise I can't do this. Because it wouldn't work right. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna take this out real fast. Oh yeah. Well, okay. Well, this is what it looks like. And it's 3 feet long. Mirror. And you don't have to use the other cord for the actual Xbox. You can just use this. So, oh crap. So you won't have to use this. You don't have to use these cords. So you'll have like less cords everywhere. Because this is too big to fit in the back of your Xbox with this. So, yeah, I just don't really care about all these cords because I don't really care about a lot of cords because cords just they bring more difficulties, so. But, I think this is a pretty good HD cord because, gives real good quality, and, I mean, I guess it helps you see better in Modern Warfare 2. I mean, I can see a lot better, I can see people more, and, like, if you look at water on, like, Red Dead Redemption, you know, it looks more, clear and realistic, like, it looks like you just want to, like, jump into your Xbox and, like, get in it, but you gotta think about whatever you want to do with it. Like, you can use this for a DVD player or anything. You can use this for a lot of stuff as long as it's for HD. It's like if you have a DVR, you can plug this into that and then plug it into your TV and you can watch HD channels. But yeah, so, I'm just gonna plug this back in, and you really can't watch, but you can watch me plug it in back here. Alright, watch. You plug one of these ends, you plug one of these ends into the back of your Xbox. That. See, one is in the Xbox. You gotta look for the HD cord area. TV